All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a couple of knives, and you might recognize them. They're a little bit unusual. They're not the same like the usual Spyderco McNees that you see, or the McBees that you see, right? Or this is not even like the same McNees PM that you see normally. This is just something a little bit different going on over here. And also there's something different going on a little bit over here, right? We're going to check them in a second. First of all, I need to say a huge shout out to my buddy Hayden to letting me check them out and share these two beauties with you. And what are these guys? So I reviewed them individually. So this is going to be just a quick overview just to show off what these guys are all about. So this is the McNees Mac 2. It's a Playge collaboration, as you can see from this work done on the show side scale. There's two versions of these guys. One has purple engraving and the other has bronze, like this guy right over here. The package comes with a Playge hank. There's an Ultim skull and the knife, and each color is limited in 20 pieces. This was made in 2021. Also, there's another little thing to check out, guys, because this bead is a one-off skull capture with an inconel shell and bronze inner part. So these are like two pieces. As you can see, this kind of wobbles on the inside. The lanyard is just going through that, so there's a little bit of fidgety action in this fella, which is one-off, very expensive, and of course matches beautifully the hand of this McNees Mac 2. So really nice, made in USA. And of course there's a nice touch on the pocket clip right there. The action of this fella, guys, look at this. It's bam, it's beam, and it's bam, beautifully done. The second guy right over here, this is a Spyderco and McNees and Playge collaboration. I'm not sure how many were made of these guys. I'm thinking there's 3 different colors, and I'm assuming 20 each. There was purple, bronze, and the blue, like in this one. So there should be around 60 in the wide. Let me know in the comments if you have more detailed information about these beauties, because they're pretty rare, and you have to be into beads, or at least into Playge. They used to do all sort of stuff, like action figures, like a lot of things. They are in the business for over 20 years, so check them out. Definitely amazing design language. I really love how they render the skull into these pretty iconic bead now. So this one has also a front flipper mod, because look at this. This is incredible, guys. Like, it's boom, front flipping action in these McNees. Oof, this is a McB, but yeah, it's just gorgeous, fantastic, and this is done by McNees. Also, of course, like this guy over here, this bead right over here, as you can see, it's a pretty unique one. I believe there's this is OG Sinister titanium blue ano skull, and this, guys, is, look at this tooth, time mascus. And these are all hand ground, one-off. They have, you know, individual personalities, let's say. There's some pretty unique look that goes into these guys. Very expensive, very rare, and I think this is a pretty cool match for the lanyard beads for this little fella, which is nicely done. Blue ano. Of course, the mods are, and look at the clip also right there. Beautifully executed, and yeah, I mean, here you get to see these two fellas, which you don't really see that often because they're pretty rare and kind of expensive to get nowadays, and these beads especially are kind of unique. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.